Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to create entry for customer payment received in Zoho Books. First, under that, we will cover our understand why we need to be enter the receive entry, record payment received, and view payment received. First, understand why we enter the payment received. So, every payment you get from a client, you have to track down that all unpaid bills are settled or not. That's why we record the payment received for the invoice. Now move into the Zoho Books and see how to do the payment received entry. Click on the sales tabs, then click on invoice, which is overdue. As you can see, it is a overdue or unpaid. It will be mentioned on that. Once again, I'll show you that. You can see that if it is status, on status you can see if it is paid, it will be show paid. It is overdue, it will show overdue or unpaid. This is unpaid. Click on that invoice. Click on record payment. Then check everything is fine. Whatever the amount you have received on date, then click on record payment. Now status, you can see that it is paid. And for the view of payment received, click on the payment received and you can see the mode and payment is received in which mode. Everything you can see in payment received. So I hope you have understand why we need to record the payment received, how to record payment received, and how to view payment received. So do you have any question or any doubt regarding that? You can simply email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.